I'm going to share one of the greatest secret of money management, and that is TWCGO money system. Want to know? If you follow this system, I'm started following this system. Okay, because of that, I'm managing the money effectively, efficiently. That is why I'm sharing with you. So let's begin. So TWCGO money system. T for tax. T for tax. 30% of the total money should be considered into this section, that is T tax section, which includes your GST. Almost 18% goes to directly GST. Other than GST, there is income tax return and government taxes, any other taxes. So consider everything that comes to around 30%. Next comes is W for wealth. Remember, you should spend at least 10% for your wealth account. What is wealth account? Just imagine that this amount is going to be for your future. Okay, and because of this 10%, every whenever you are going to invest into this account, you feel yourself rich, you feel yourself prosperous. If that feeling is going to come, definitely it is good to invest. This is a long-term saving wealth account you are going to create. This can also include the real estate or stocks and gold also. Next comes is C for charity. Yes, 10% should be invested into charity account. Not only the account, but from this account, whatever the 10% of your business comes in, that go to the charity. You may donate to temples or social responsibility activities, or even as I said, the temple. Next comes is the G for general. Okay, 20% of total money should be invested into general account, which includes your personal expenses, home or rent, loans or family responsibilities, outings, family trips. Everything is going to cover under this general, that is 20%. And O comes is operation. Operation means the activities, the executions what you're going to take. This includes 30% of the total amount. So business tools, marketing, learning, any new ideas, new technology you're learning. So this all comes under O, operation. Even the advertisement, Facebook ads or Google ads, whatever the marketing cost you are investing, that should be invested from this operation, that is from this 30% account. So if you can manage, if you can balance this TWCGO money system, then your money management is going to be on sky rocket mode. So it's initially it is very, very tough. Initially, maybe the percentages may vary drastically at the initial stage, but yes, once you start practicing, okay, I'm sure that you are going to master it. For this, what is required is to create 5 different accounts: T for tax, and W for wealth, C charity, G for general, and O for operation. Just create 5 different accounts. Main one account that comes to, maybe you can consider that is the primary, the account which is having you can consider that as taxes, and immediately every month, I hope you are already paying the GST. So let the tax go from that account. Tax and operations go from that account. Means almost 60% is being covered from that area. So what you can do then, remaining the 3 activities, that is the wealth, 10% every week you should transfer from that main account to your wealth account. It should be different account. You are not at all going to touch that account. Okay, maybe you can go for stocks and all these things. That is secondary, but you're not going to use it for any other purposes. Next comes is the C, that is the charity. From this account, 10% goes to your charity. Okay, yeah, definitely calculations is going to become difficult initially, but still I'm going to help you to create maybe a kind of say template I'm going to share, so that you can manage your money effectively and efficiently. I wish you more energy to manage your money in smart way. Cheers.